Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function. Let's dive into it. The exponential function f of x is equal to a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so x values are increasing. The y values are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. These are also increasing. Since they are both increasing, this must be a growth function, not A or C. So the answer is either B or D. Obviously, you can guess the answer right now, but I'd like to show you the algebraic solution for it. To do that, I will use this data. F0 is a times b to the power of 0 is 2. b to the power of 0 is 1, so which means a times 1 is 2. So therefore, a is 2. So let's use the second data now. F1, a times b to the power of 1 is 4. So we know the value of a, which is 2. b to the power of 1 is just b. 2b is 4. Divide both sides by 2. So 2b will be 2. In that case, choice D says b is between 0 and 1. No. But the choice B says is b is greater than 1. So therefore, the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.